We in the city bush right now, not in the real bush like a few videos ago. It's not a real bush if you can still hear the car and city noise around. When I was in the real bush, the silence was beautiful. That's where you really get those downloads. In the city bush, you might get those shitty ass downloads still. They better than no downloads. These chicken wings, I like them more cooked. I might still cook these, but I didn't have my usual chickens today. But I had these. I wanted a little snack in the city bush. So great awakening, huh? That's been supposedly going on in our earth. People been waking up, huh? I would say so. But the scale that people been waking up, it's pretty small still. I might make a video on based knowledge, where we get real deep into these topics. I might make a video there. It might be out already when you see this. About why it's almost impossible for so many to wake up from the Matrix. The Matrix hook on people's brains too strong. Because when you wake up the first time, you start to wake up a little bit, teeny tiny bit out of this system. The first reaction is like, how does nobody else see what's going on here? How can they see the same shit I'm seeing? But the thing is, it's actually very rare that people wake up. And the levels you need to go to actually wake up to the real nature. Because you can wake up in the shitty ass city bush. You can wake up into the city nature. You're still domestic as hell. But to wake up in the real nature, that's a whole different beast. And you have to battle. You have to break through so many little programs, little walls in your brain and in your subconscious mind that are built there over the years of you living in this earth. You have to break through so many of them before you start to see the light. And when you start to see the light, the darkness becomes so dark, and you can feel it and sense it so deep in your core that you are closer to the light, but also You are way more connected to the darkness also. And that shit is kinda scary. On a level. Bigger the light, deeper the darkness. But that's not really how it goes in the nature. But we live so far away from that. Now we gotta drink that raw milk and eat raw chicken. To really get that brain going, because that brain and your body, it needs all the strength it can get to freaking break through those walls. And even still that might not be enough. Because in reality, you also need the other people. You need that community to support you. It gets tough to be the lone wolf out here. Yes, the change starts within yourself. You are the one responsible for yourself. But human beings need other human beings to really thrive, to really blossom to their full potential. That's why families are so important, because that's just part of you, extension of you. That's why these cultures, these tribes living in the nature, they still, when you ask them what makes you wealthy, what makes you rich, successful, most of them they say, my family, my kids, the animals I can hunt, or the cattle I have, the cows I have, the goats I have, the sheep I have. Because that's real wealth in the nature. The paper, the numbers in the screen you can see, that ain't shit compared to the real wealth. This shit, this is the real wealth out here. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.